Welcome to this shootout matchup featuring the San Jose Sharks and the Tampa Bay Lightning. Big congratulations to them on winning their second Stanley Cup. Alright, here we go. See what kind of show we're going to get this time. Oh, excuse me. Whoops. Here we go. Starting off for the Sharks is Thomas Hertl. And he will score. Starting off for the Tampa Bay Lightning. Shooting first, Tyler Johnson. Let's see what we got. Save by Niemi or Martin Jones. Shooting next for Dallas, Joe Pavelski. He will score. All right. Oh, it's Ben Bishop. I guess Vasilevsky's not available yet. Joe Pavelski. And here comes Stamkos. It's hammer time. He will score. Stammer keeps the Lightning alive. And here comes Patrick Marleau. Score! What is going on here? As San Jose might be on the verge of a victory here to tie this shootout thing for the road team. Here's Nikita Kucherov to keep the Bolts in it. Saved by Martin Jones. How did he miss that? And now, here comes Logan Couture. If he scores, it's over. Saved by Bishop. Now here's Jonathan Drouin. If he scores, it continues. If not, Sharks win. Saved by Jones, and that is it. The San Jose Sharks has tied this road to NHL 21 series up at 1. And I'll see you guys up for NHL 18.